Hi there! So which one should you buy? The newly launched Colorfit Icon Buzz or the Colorfit Caliber? Probably one of the most asked questions ever since I posted the Icon Buzz video. By the way, I've reviewed both these devices individually, so I suggest you watch these videos too. You'll find the link in the description. So the first thing you need to know is that it's not about which watch is good and which is bad. Both these watches are really good, especially for the price. Just that both of them are so similar yet poles apart. I think that can be the title of this video. So similar yet poles apart. Anyway, I'm going to share the similarities and differences between the two so you can decide which one is perfect for you. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more comparison videos like these. Also follow me on my social media handles, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The handle name is Mr. Tech Singh. Alright, let's begin. So let's start with the build and design. Now here are both these watches side by side. The green gold one is Icon Buzz, while midnight blue one is Caliber. Now the first thing to notice is the difference in design. Curved frame on the Icon Buzz, while a flat design on the Caliber. Single button on the sides with noise logo on both, but the design of the button is a little different. Then the frame of the Icon Buzz is made of zinc alloy, while the Caliber is polycarbonate, which is exactly why there is a noticeable difference in weight as well. Now the Icon Buzz weighs 50 grams while the Caliber weighs 37.6 grams. Both come with silicone straps, they're soft and very skin friendly. But the Caliber comes with a wider 22mm strap while the Icon Buzz comes with a sleeker 20mm band. Noise logo and name is engraved on the Caliber strap as well. Small subtle differences. The back of both these watches are made of plastic. Heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals are common between the two. But the Caliber has a body temperature sensor which the Icon Buzz lacks. But then the Icon Buzz has a microphone and speaker for phone calls which the Caliber lacks. Frankly, when you wear them, the weight doesn't feel drastically different. The Icon Buzz does feel more grippy and sturdy, and that's probably because of the weight. However, the Caliber is equally comfortable, probably because of the wider straps. Can you see I'm wearing two watches together? All for you. Coming to the display, now both have a 1.69-inch IPS LCD display with the exact same resolution of 240 by 280 pixels. However, the bezels on the Caliber are more noticeable, and I think it's primarily because the Caliber's display is completely flat as compared to the curved display of the Icon Buzz. The color reproduction, brightness and blacks are very similar. However, the user interface is a little different. Personally, I feel the one on the Caliber is more polished as compared to a retro-like look on the Icon Buzz. But the good thing is both are really responsive and smooth. Now the biggest difference between the two is that the Icon Buzz comes with Bluetooth phone calling feature, which means you can make and answer phone calls directly from your watch. But remember, Bluetooth calling will work only when the watch is always connected to the phone, and the phone has to be in the same room. ऐसा नहीं कि phone घर पे छोड़ के चले गए waiting for the phone calls to come on your watch. That won't work. Now the good thing is that the calling feature works very well, and the call quality over the watch is genuinely impressive. The speaker is loud and very clear, and that's one of the biggest pros of the Icon Buzz. However, you can't reply with a preset SMS to an incoming call or SMS on the Icon Buzz, but you can do that on the Colorfit Caliber, which is really surprising considering it's cheaper. Anyway, then we get two pre-installed games on the Icon Buzz, Floppy Bird and Hamster. It's really exciting to see something like that on a small screen, but if you ask me, I rather use my phone if I have to game. Rest, both watches come with the Noise Health Suite, which has sleep tracking, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, but only the Colorfit Caliber has stress tracking and body temperature monitoring. Now I was really surprised that even these simple features are missing on the Icon Buzz. I'm sure they must be having their reasons for that. Also tested health sensors on both, and they seem to provide pretty accurate readings. But keep it in mind that use these just for reference and not for medical purposes. Now coming to workouts, well, this is where the Caliber goes to the next level. 60 workout modes, while on the Icon Buzz you get just 9. Seeing is believing the long list of workout options on the Caliber. And the best part is that they are even divided into categories. Wow, check that out. Now Icon Buzz has all the basic ones like running, walking, cycling, hiking, climbing, treadmill, spinning, yoga and fitness. Now here you have to ask yourself, Are these 9 workouts enough? Well, I bet for most of us that's all we need. Then neither of these watches come with swim tracking, but still the Caliber comes with IP68 rating, so it would be safer to wear it in the pool. But the Icon Buzz comes with IP67 rating, so I won't recommend it that you wear it while swimming, but still mild splashes, rain and sweat is absolutely safe. Also, another minor spec difference is that the Caliber comes with Bluetooth 5.0 while the Icon Buzz comes with Bluetooth 5.1. Yes, 5.1 does provide better connectivity and helps in this scenario because the Icon Buzz comes with Bluetooth calling feature. So great. Alright, coming to the battery. Well, Noise claims that the Caliber comes with a 300 mAh battery and lasts for about 15 days with casual use. But I'd say expect it to last for about 10 days. While the Icon Buzz comes with a 230 mAh battery and will last for 7 days with typical use, while just 2 days if you use it for calling. But in my experience, we got about 4 to 5 days with casual use and between 1 to 2 days if I used it for phone calls. Then both these watches come with different companion apps as well, Noise Track for the Icon Buzz and Noise Fit app for Caliber. Now, without a doubt, the Noise Fit app is more polished compared to the Track. The biggest plus for me was that it was able to share data with Google Fit, which we can't do on the Icon Buzz since the Track app doesn't support it. But apart from that, both apps sync all your workout data and have a huge collection of watch faces, really huge. Alright, finally, which one should you get? Well, the simplest way to answer this question is by asking yourself, what are you looking for? If you want a premium metal build with basic workout options and Bluetooth calling feature, then you should go for the Icon Buzz. But if you need a huge collection of workouts, longer battery life, blood temperature sensor, preset SMS reply and better companion app, then the Colorfit Caliber is the one you should go for. The Colorfit Caliber is priced at $2,799 while the Icon Buzz is currently priced at $3,499. But remember, this is just an introductory price. Very soon the price of the Icon Buzz would be 4,000 rupees. So decide sooner. 2,800 for the Caliber or 3,500 for a Bluetooth calling Icon Buzz. Make your pick. I'll leave the links for both these devices in the description. If you like to buy them, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.